It's been a long time in the making, but BMW Motorrad's newest entry to the cruiser segment, a bike aptly called the R18, is just around the corner. On Friday, April 3rd, the Germans will pull the wraps off what is to become one of the most potent motorcycles in its segment. This bike owes it all to a new engine BMW likes to call the Big Boxer. The two-cylinder powerplant has a capacity of 1,802 cc, which should make it the highest capacity engine ever used on a production motorcycle. According to the specs revealed by the Bavarians, the engine has a power output of 91 horsepower and 158 Nm of torque, and that should also make it the most powerful boxer ever built by BMW. A production version of the R18 would need an air box, but on this concept, two polished intakes supply air via a pair of lust-worthy Solex carbs. And even without an air box or complex electronic package, the motor still looks complete. You can see clear shades of the R5 in the concept R18's faux hardtail frame, an elegant design that shows off the rear shock without ruining any lines. The exposed drive shaft is another killer touch, which will make it onto the production bike, along with the interface between the final drive hub and the rear of the frame. And with a 21 front and 18 rear wheel, the stance is just perfect. No word yet on price, color, or when the bike will appear in dealerships. We just hope BMW doesn't drag out those dates too.